In this video, I'll be guiding you through on how to add two-page view in Adobe Acrobat. So Adobe Acrobat is all about documents and PDF. So there might be some time where you wanna, view two pages at the same time. So I'm gonna show you exactly how to do that. So you have to go to the right corner, and you can see a panel over there, and go to bottom, and from the bottom, the third last option, tap into that. That's a display the page at 100% magnification. If you tap into that, drop down menu will appear, and at the second option, since right now it's in a single page view, you have to go to the second page and tap into the two-page view. And just like this, this is how you add a two-page view. Now you'll be able to see both the pages at the same time. So this is basically how you add two-page view in Adobe Acrobat. I hope this video was useful. If so, please consider subscribing and liking our video. Thank you for watching.